I'm not going to put the sound in, I'm going to pull that out. Yeah. I'll either put generic machinery noise or I'll put some bitchin' music. Yeah. Royalty free, of course. Royalty free.
If you kind of move like that. How much was that?
140.
On Amazon?
Yeah. If you want to borrow this and you feel you have a use for it, you can get your own. If you have a project, you're welcome to borrow it anytime. Yeah. I'm extremely cheap when it comes to anything.
$140 is...
Yeah, but I had to waffle on that for about 3 weeks. I had to make the decision if I wanted it or not.
Oh, yeah.
And with the full intention of sending it back, I'm extremely cheap. I
hate you. I don't like buying things.
No, not at all. Not at all. Like, what you pay for your shoes is because you really enjoy them, but you don't buy them every
I got it for free. It was second hand.
Yeah, I'm wearing fucking... These shoes were 140. Everything else, I'm wearing like $5 in clothing.
Yeah.
Even that cost
I never
you...
buy anything full price.
Yeah, no. And I don't buy anchored sales either. So people that put $29.99, cross it off and put $15.99, I don't go for that shit either. Less than that. But even that costume I wore at Blue Mountain was like only like $80 at Walmart. The costume I wore at...
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And most of my clothes are 15 years old. Like I'm just too cheap. This style isn't going out of style anytime soon. I'll take it.
This is an old LV for new ones.
Oh yeah?
I tried to spend a little bit more on pants because
$5.
I don't like wearing pants.
I don't mind it. It's not good for running a CNC because everything sticks to it and then it goes into your leg. Yeah.
You're gonna film the whole job?
Yeah, but I'm gonna time lapse it. Yeah. I went to art college for like video editing and 3D animation and stuff. This is all second nature to me, right? So. It's even got a little light too, eh? Moving around that lawn. See how it's tracking it? Yeah. It's got some pretty cool features. And I can do time lapse in this, and I can do slow motion. I haven't tested them out yet. I just got it last week. So.
And it connects to any phone.
Bluetooth. Yeah. But I got a podcasting mic. I'll overdub it. Like I'll pull the music out or the sound out. I'll overdub it, and then I'll put a soundtrack in the background. Basically, what I'll do is I'll slowly load the sheet on there, time lapse it, and slow it back down again. I'd like to show one eventually that's got the smaller pieces that you don't tend to lose. Never seen it before, man.
It's always in that corner now. I don't know why.
Oh, because I pulled the suction hose out of there, so I would always win lunch.
Ah.
Yeah.
Speaking of lunch, I did bring lunch.
How did I?